Say hello to Spec Clean, the new name in medical and dental instrument cleaning. Formerly known as MicroCare Medical or Pro Cleaners, Spec Clean is now your go-to solution for achieving perfectly clean medical and dental instruments. For years, you have trusted our cleaning products for their top-notch quality and performance. With the same commitment to excellence, we're making the name simpler and easier to remember. The Spec Clean labels have clear, clean graphics and vibrant colors to help you spot the right products for the job on those crowded shelves, saving you time and hassle. Need more info? Ask your distributor today. Our Spec Clean team is here with expert product recommendations and usage tips to help you get the best results. Whatever your spec, we get it clean. Learn more about infection prevention to keep your patients safe and healthy at microcare.com/SpecClean.